lose
Any
him?
volunteer?
You did awesome.
You did awesome. Talk to us.
Yes. We talked about several topics about the Agile business owner. We also talked about design sprint or design thinking.
Oh.
And we also talked about how to help or increase collaboration between offshore and onshore teams. So it was very, very nice, very helpful.
I like it. Thank you, Anna. Anybody else?
We formed a Scrum Master Anonymous group so we can talk to each other.
You formed a Scrum. Say that again, Sylvia.
Scrum Master Anonymous.
Oh.
I want to be part of that.
Yeah, we all want to be part of that. What do you mean? It's anonymous, guys.
It's just, oh, that would be such a safe space to vent.
Well, you are all welcome into Scrum Master Anonymous. We just formed this trying to help Anna out. So you are all welcome. And we will have our first session, of which, to respect of all people, I will say what that session is called later. But you are all welcome to join us in our Scrum Master Anonymous session. So welcome.
Thank you.
Awesome. Anybody else from the Spanish group? All right. If not, let's go ahead and go to group 6. Did we get a name for group 6, please? Just a name?
Working title.
What?
Working title.
Working title. Oh my God. Come on, let's get a name. All right. Number 6, group number 6. Talk to us. What happened?
We did some product brainstorming, some persona work, and we have homework.
Sarah was going to say something.
Go ahead, Sarah.
I'm sorry.
Sarah, you're muted.
I was going to say the exact thing because nothing.
Sorry.
Anybody else? What is your?
What did we do?
Yeah.
Brainstorming.
Yeah,
Okay.
brainstorm.
We did more than that.
I know.
Marcela, what did we do? What did you and I prepare for and do?
Market research.
Well, we started with market research. We spoke a little bit about visioning again. Kind of got into a discussion on whether you define that first or do the research, get some feedback, and then come back and update the vision. But and then, as Victoria said, we started digging into personas and what a Scrum Master and an Agile coach. So we took those two personas, tried to figure out what, as those personas, what were pain points today in apps, things that we would be looking for. And then we got homework.
And what do we know that the other people don't know? What do we know that the other people don't know? Remember what Leon said the plan was?
That we are going to be asking for your permission to interview and solicit feedback from you guys at the next session.
Yes, we're asking to be allowed into your groups so we can interview you.
So are you guys okay with maybe a few, I don't know how much time would that be, but that they would actually go into your groups next week? You guys are okay with it? Do this. If not, just yell, no, don't do it. Yeah, I'm not hearing anybody yell no, and you're muted if you're yelling, just so you know that.
How much is it?
We're good with that.
I see thumbs up on Spanish.
Yeah, definitely a thumbs up on Spanish.
Thank you, Spanish group.
What were you going to say, Joe? Are you protesting?
I was going to say, how much was that?
So just keep in mind, for the people that came in a little late, we're creating an app. We're creating a tool that's going to benefit Scrum Masters and Agile coaches. And we're trying to figure out what to deliver, MVP, how do we figure all that stuff out? So it's really exciting, and it's what we do on a day-to-day basis. So you could see the future, all of you using this tool and say, I was a part of that. I was a part of that community. So that's really exciting that we're in that venture. I'm excited. So anyone else?
Use groups, sort of like use groups, and what's that other one where you put people together and you watch them test?
That's an aquarium.
You poke them, and you poke
Right?
them.
You go for- that isn't a great, those glass rooms.
Wow. Okay. I think we covered all the groups. So what I need right now is a beautiful picture. Okay. So Leon, go ahead and turn off your camera. Okay. So we need a
No.
really, really pretty picture of you guys. And again, remember this group, again, we keep seeing new faces, people coming back. So that this means that there's value. And I'm excited to be part of that. And all the coaches are excited. And we meet so much even after this meeting just to go over how do we get better. Okay?
Yes, we meet a lot.
We do meet a lot.
We see each other so often during the week.
Like often. Like, okay, please turn on your cameras if you can. Please turn on your camera. This will be a quick picture. And I'm just going to take a snapshot. Again, make sure you fix your hair up. Have a good hair day. Rocky, I don't know about your hair today. You know, you got to fix up. Okay, so again, we always have a purpose. So what's today's purpose? Anybody want to share, like, what do we want to shout out to the world? Anybody want to give us something?
Progress.
Progress?
How do you, I don't know how you would show that in your hands.
Agile rocks.
Freedom.
What's that? I don't even know what that was. Or this.
Freedom.
Freedom. There's a saying that some coach does, and he says, "We appreciate you," right? And he goes, "We appreciate you." So that's what I want to see. I want to see how you appreciate somebody else. Okay. So reach out to your neighbor. Reach out if you're in a figure where you're pointing out like this. But we appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys coming over here. We appreciate the hard work that we do to figure things out. And we're all a very strong community here. All right. So let's put "we appreciate you" face, gesture, however you want to do it. I'm going to take a snapshot. I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, shot. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Let me get the snapshot. And then you guys get ready for that. If I can get it, if I can figure it out. Okay. Okay. Okay, you ready? 5, 4, 2, 1, go. All right. That's it. You can stop smiling now. I know that must hurt. All right, so I got the picture, and now I'm going to send that picture. Yes?
It's too bad we don't always know where everybody is so that we can point to that particular location.
Right.
Scrambled. Yeah.
Well, you know what? I could probably figure that out next time where I do a snapshot and send it to you and then say, this is where you're at in my picture. So then you could actually, however you want, to do this.
It's more fun not to know.
Yeah, because
you might be pointing to nobody.
yeah, because on my screen I have somebody on either side, but you may see me in the corner.
That's true.
Nobody puts Victoria in the corner.
That's
I
why
know, right? I don't think I would stay there if they tried.
Sharing you my snapshot will give you an idea of what square you're at and how you want to, like you would point down, or we would have something. I don't know. We got to figure out, but that's a good idea. Let's try
Like the Brady Bunch.
We also like themes. So this is our happy hour part of it, guys. So again, if you need to leave, I appreciate you guys being here.